Hi, my name is Mike Denny. I'm the owner of So Nice Again. We're a general contracting and restoration company here in the Outer Banks. And today we're following up on a home inspection. A couple items were identified as far as potential moisture issues. So we use a combination of the infrared camera and our moisture meter. We go around and take a look and some measurements to determine what's going on. In most cases like this, what I'm looking at here is this is probably condensation from the HVAC line. We see those, but we're also here to identify and make sure that it's nothing more than just the condensation. The condensation can be dealt with then with the HVAC company. If there's additional remediation from mold, sometimes you get mold growth around the vents, we can come in and do a vent clean. If there's additional damage that's a little more extent, we'll cut out the insulation and the drywall, dry it out, and then get it put back together. So the drywall is wet. Right? Now, it's not crazy wet. I still believe that what you probably have is condensation, right? Mm-hmm. The hotter is this yellow. All this is really doing is it'll show me the temperature too, right? So you're okay, so it's not wet.